Today I'm going to be installing the Morpheus II air cooler in replacement of the AIO cooler on my hybrid 1080 Ti. So here's the Morpheus II. I just installed some of the brackets right here. You got 4 screws in the bags that will line up right here with each of the brackets. Make sure the arrows face towards all the pipes. So the next step is to put the thermal pads on the little RAM chips and put the heat sinks on them. I'm just gonna jump cut to that. So a little life hack here, stick the adhesive to the bottom of these and then put these on because the adhesive will not stick to the chips, and it'll save you a lot of rage and time. So I got everything installed. They didn't give me enough of the tall ones. Hopefully that's not an issue. And getting the little tabs on the big block here is a bitch. Be warned, don't damage your PCB, but I had to use quite a bit of. So when I put everything together, I had put it on with the air cooler on the bottom, with me setting the PCB onto that so you could line up the standoff holes with the holes in the PCB. You then put the back bracket on rubber side down and put in the opposing screws gently on opposing sides, and then the other 2 sides, and then you go around and tighten all of them. You got to do it in a nice opposing manner so everything's even and you don't have too much tension on one side. After that, you go to the other side and you put your fans on top and you just hold those with retaining clips. I didn't think that was worth filming. It's pretty standard, and I thought putting on the cooler itself was also pretty standard. If you're doing this, hopefully you have experience putting thermal paste on a processor and have experience wiping it off with some thermal paste cleaner. Anyways, please like, follow, and sub if this helped you in any way. It was a bit of work for me. This is my first time doing it, and I've got to say it wasn't too hard. Peace and much love.